Hi, this is Nathalie from Line.Arrow from the Netherlands, together with one of the new team members. This is Stevie on my desk. His brother is in the room too. It's actually middle of the night. I'm still awake. My husband is in Reims. I couldn't sleep and I thought, well, I just craft and make the video of the folio that I'm making for the challenge. And today is the first video of the challenge that I'm doing, and also the day that I show you the freebies that I have available in my Facebook group for you to put in your projects. And I'm not saying you need to use these exactly on the base of your journal, but you can also put it somewhere else in a later stage in your project. But I have this paper. Besides the purple and the the purple and the, what's the other, the lavender, I also added a little bit of blue, and I also have it's late, 3 journal cards, some washi and tabs, and some fuzzy cut butterflies you can put in your project. So these will be available in the Facebook group, and I will link these after I uploaded my video, so you can all download these. Okay, this is Stevie again. Okay, honey, yeah, you need to go. So I have been busy. I have this old book, and it's not lavender, I know, but I think the color will match perfectly with the Lavender and Lace Kit, and I also can do just a little inking on here. Just putting away things on the desk because these 2 new team members are just little babies, and yeah, they need supervising themselves instead of helping me. But yeah, okay, he's liking the book. But what I did is I took out pages from this book, a lot of pages actually, and I have footage on how I did it. But it's a long process. It looks like this. This can be a hinge. These are a few pages glued together. So what you do is, I can tell, but I also have footage, but I'm going to put it in between this video, or maybe at the end of the video, if you want to see. And it's in high speed. If you want to see it in slow motion, you just click on the wheel, and you can set the speed to well, half speed or something like that, so you can see in slow motion. And what you do is, let me just grab another book to show you. So you have book pages on here. It's really difficult to show. Okay, you have to go, no, don't bite me. You have to go just a little to this corner, so I have room. Please leave me. Zachtjes. No. Zachtjes. 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 Goed zo. Okay. No. I'm not going away. You don't have to grab me. Like for instance, this. You need to keep this and this. But you can pull a few pages out. I'm going to show you. So let's say you want to have 3, and then pull these 2 out. This is another binding, so it's going to be a little different. But you can take this one out, take this one out, take this one out, and then you have 3 pages together, and these you all glue together, and then you will have one thing. So you have to keep this closed, so you don't have like this in between 2 pages. So you cover this by flipping this over and gluing it down. So I hope this makes sense. The video shows you how I did it. I want to add envelopes on here, but I can't glue them down. So but I'm just putting the envelopes somewhere in the area that I want to put them. I have several envelopes, and I also have little coin envelopes. But I thought, okay, let me just think about this. I felt like maybe we could do one over here at the front, a big one. And, well, it's a very big one. I also have this pink one. Maybe we can put the pink one over here at the front. And maybe we can also put one underneath. Or on top, maybe on top. And I'm not sure if I'm going to open them like this and put something in over here, or glue this close and make up a top opening over here. That depends on the papers I'm going to put on, all these things. So I wanted to add this over here, and on this side I can also add a little envelope over here, or turn this into like a little tuck spot. Maybe that's an option too, but I'm going to pop this one on here and we will see. This can be a hinge. You have to go, sweetie. And I thought about adding these over here, something like this. And of course I need to decorate, so it's not as boring as it is now. I want this one. No, I want this one to be on here. Does it fit? Yeah. And then I have hinges, and I also have these. And I could add these over here, and I can also add a few merged together. But I can't really put them in yet because I need to decorate them. Otherwise it's very difficult for me to decorate. But it can be something like this. Maybe. Does this work? It can open like so. Can open like so, and it can open like so. Okay, that's a cool thing. So maybe this can work. I had it like this, I think. Yeah. So we are going to place them over here, and maybe I can change it a little after I decorate it, or when I'm going to decorate it. This can be a hinge too. Maybe I can add some tags over here. This can be a pocket, and this can be a little hinge too, or I can make this into a tuck spot and put in stuff like so. So I'm just adding these. Not sure if I'm exactly going to use them like this. I can put this one over here. So yeah, this is the base for now. Yeah, so it's a very short video, but it was a very intense process for me to make, because I had the two team members running around my craft room all the time and running over my desk when I was tearing out the pages. And at first I used a knife to cut the pages out. So don't do that, because if you cut too deep, you will mess up the binding. And this is the binding. It's flat now because it's the pages are taken out, but you go through this piece and you don't want that. And just to show you how many pages I took out, these. So I took a lot of the pages out, and maybe I am using some of the pages on the outside, although if I'm using script like book pages on this journal, I would rather use French pages. So, but these papers are very good to bag your tags with, and together with a glue stick, if you really press down the glue, it's flexible when it's still drying because it's wet, but when it's dry, it's a really sturdy tag. So just a tip for you, if you don't want to use too much of your craft paper, your cardstock, you can use book pages to reinforce your tags, or even covers of journals. So don't throw away the book pages. So yeah, this is it. We are going to do the second week challenge, decorating, so putting in little tags and bits and pieces, but I am going to decorate the envelopes and the pages before I glue in the envelope, so otherwise I can't make the journal. But I can also put something pretty on the front, and maybe I can figure out what I'm going to put on roughly, so we can do that also in the next video during this week. And I have, of course, the freebies, and I did think about adding the freebies, but it's a little bit too blue for me on the outside. So let me grab some of the pages. I also have Cara's pages printed out. I didn't show them on my launch video because that was just, well, there was a misunderstanding between us, and I thought we only shared our own half, and I didn't show hers, and I'm really sorry about that. Like this paper can be on the outside, or the lace, maybe the lace paper, or even this paper. And we can also add the booklet to the folio, and also a little insert, like a little journal inside, or okay, I can't find, wait a minute, found it. This is nice too. So maybe I have to print this on a little bit more sturdy paper, and then I can use this. I also thought about using a frame, and I have this. This is also a freebie in my Facebook group. I have freebies with images of people and different frames, and this one, it was brown, but I did ink it a little, and it's matching with the cover. It's grayish. Maybe I can add a little bit of pink. I even have like the satin roses I can add to this. So if we have like this paper, maybe I can do it like this. Well, just put it like this, and also I want to add a picture, an image behind the frame. Maybe in Cara's kit I have a nice image. I know she has a girl in it, and I really, oh, these are cute too, the birdies. This one, I could put this on the outside, so this is an option. So yeah, there's a lot to play with, and I really enjoy purple. And I have 2 other purple kits in my Etsy. not from this year, from a while ago, and I never created anything with them. Like for instance, this is also a very pretty image to use. So yeah, choices. I have a lot of choices to make. So I have a very easy video. It's not very difficult. Well, it is. It's not very easy if you haven't done this before. And to be honest, I never made an altered book. Well, I made one altered book. As a matter of fact, I made it for Gil Agostinelli. But this is the second time I'm using a book, leaving the pages in and turn it into a tag book. I never done it before, but I thought it would be fun. And I thought, well, everybody has books, at least one. They can, well, take out pages and turn it into this. So, yeah, this is my video for today. I'm going to put in the making of this inside of the book in high speed, like I told you. Maybe add a little music underneath, so you can still watch. And if you are really interested to see what I've done, you can slow down the video a little. If you're not a member of the Facebook groups, of all the Facebook groups, please become a member, so you have 3 chances to win prizes. You can enter in each group and win prizes. I have an explanation on the challenge underneath the video, so you can check, but it's also in all 3 of the Facebook groups. And we have 3 events in all the Facebook groups, and you can check the events too, because it will be different event every week. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.